Want to design mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems for real construction projects faster and with fewer errors? Are you a mechanical or electrical engineer? Perhaps you're a construction professional who has never designed before. Give me a minute. Let's do a live example. I'm in AutoCAD right now and I have my electrical template opened. The first thing I do is I XREF in my architectural layout. So now our architectural layout is prepped for our lighting. So let's begin to do our lighting. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to our Syntogen MEP Design Toolkit. Now, this is our Syntogen MEP Design Toolkit. All right, it has the lighting, the sockets, the load schedule. The MEP Design Toolkit also comprises of the plumbing, the HVAC. Here's our architectural drawing. I want to start with this bedroom here. This bedroom is in suite. So let's start with the lighting of this bedroom. What I want to do is I'm going to just quickly take a quick measurement of this bedroom from this point to this point. That's about 4.6 meters, and to this point, so as about 4.5 meters. Okay, I then go back to my MEP design toolkit. This use case will be a bedroom because we want to use a bedroom, so we choose a bedroom there. Okay, we can name space name, let's say R001. Okay, the length, I think we had 4.6 meters. All right, and the width, I think we had about 4.6 also. Okay. Okay, this is target luminance lux for a bedroom. Okay, what is the wattage I want to use for this bedroom? Let me say I want to use 6 watt recess down lights. Okay, that's our 6 watt recess down lights. Okay, the maintenance factor is there, the utilization factor is there. Okay, so if I want to circuit it, maybe I can use L1A. Beautiful. All right, so what do we do then? We just what update, we save it and it updates. So it tells us it suggests 12 fittings, okay, 12 6 watt fittings in that space, in that bedroom, and it's suggesting a grid of 4 by 3. Beautiful. What do we do? We go back to our architectural layout. What do we then do? We bring in our fitting. So let's use this one. We're going to insert this one right now. So using 4 by 3, okay, we drop it there. So these are 6 watt LED recessed down lights. We use our copy array. So we want to distribute 4 by 3. So what we have there, we distribute 4 automatically there with speed. All right then. Now we copy back. And this time around, we're distributing 3 downwards. All right. And we distribute 3 down. All right. So we don't have to be copying it and dropping it one by one. So that's our bedroom. Immediately, we're done with the bedroom. So what we want to do now is just put a switch. What kind of switch we want to use? Maybe we can use a 2-gang two-way switch. We just bring this one in. Beautiful. And from there, we can begin to wire. So we just wire our fittings and we're done with this room. Go back to the Syntogen MEP Design Toolkit. And here's the sockets. Okay. We load the sockets. And we have power sockets. Okay. Also, we change the use case to whatever it is. If it's a bedroom, we put it in a bedroom. We can still call this R001 since it's the same bedroom. And you have 5. So it's suggesting 5 sockets for that room, minimum 5 sockets for that room. And we go to the architectural layout and we also distribute the sockets there the way we have done the lighting. So very simple, very easy. The Syntogen MEP Design Toolkit makes the work so easy for you. And when you go to the load schedule, after you have done all your design, it means you don't have to start creating new load schedule. Okay, so it does the load calculation, the load summary, the load schedule, and you just export it here into your drawings and you're done. Okay, so that is how it takes almost half of the workload off of your hands. So whether you've never designed before or you already do MEP designs and you want to upskill, you want to make your work faster and more efficient, this Syntogen MEP Design Toolkit will help you to achieve just that. And by the time you're done, you have your full design. Okay, look at the lighting is done here with the aid of the Syntogen MEP Design Toolkit that helps you work fast. Same with the power drawing with the Syntogen MEP Design Toolkit. You have your power wired and circuited to the distribution board. So if you want to design MEP from scratch or you want to upgrade your skill with speed, efficiency, and accuracy, then join me in my webinar where I show you exactly how I can take you from just learning how to draw a line to designing complete mechanical, that's the HVAC, electrical, and plumbing systems for real construction projects. It is for those who have never designed before but want to learn how to design, and for those who already design and want to add speed, accuracy, and efficiency to their work. So click the link, register your name, register for the webinar by putting in your name and your email, and I'll see you in class.